In this video, I'll show you how to join the Piggy Discord server on mobile. On your Discord home screen, press on this green plus icon over on the left, and then down at the bottom, tap on Join a Server. In the invite link box, you simply want to type Piggy, and then tap Join with the invite link. You'll see that you've been invited to join the Piggy Discord server. Tap Accept Invite, and then at the bottom, tap on Confirm. That's going to load us into the server. And now it'll ask you some questions. What do you want notified for? I'm just going to skip this, but you can choose your preference. I'll skip this one as well. It'll ask for your pronouns. And then you need to click the button below to gain access to the verification channel. Press Next. Scroll down and read the rules of the server. Then tap Agree and Finish. And we've now joined the Piggy Discord server. So if you found this useful, please like and subscribe.